Good morning, sir. Good morning to one and all present here. I am Dhananjay Thackeray, presenting today's presentation on dictionaries in Python. Dictionaries in Python are basically just like the dictionaries you use in your daily life. As the dictionary in the English dictionary associates each word to its meaning. Each word is considered to be a key, and the meaning is considered to be a value. Whenever you will search for the key, you will also find out the meaning for it, which is the value of that key. So dictionaries are somewhat like that. This dictionary in Python is pretty well advanced than the dictionary you should use in everyday life, Oxford Dictionary. So now see what are dictionaries in Python. Dictionary in Python are pair of key values used to store data values like a map, which unlike other data types we showed only a single value as an element. So till this point in our syllabus we have studied various data types like list and tuples. List and tuples use only one value, use only a single element as its value. But dictionary is far different from that. Dictionary uses two elements, two entities as its values. So it basically associates key to its value. The first element to first entity to its second entity. Dictionaries are Python's implementation of data structure that is more generally known as an associative array. A dictionary consists of a collection of key value pairs. Each key value pair maps the key to its associated value. As I have explained you, whichever key you will define and put a colon after that, and after that you will put a value. Each key is associated to its value. By stating associative array, I mean to say that a key is associated to value. Each single entity is associated to another entity. It is basically like Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams are mapping diagrams in mathematics, which you have studied pretty earlier in your syllabus. So now move towards defining dictionaries. How we define dictionaries in Python. We define a dictionary by enclosing a comma separated list of key value pairs in curly braces. A colon separates each key from its associated value. So basically, to define dictionary, you use a key. After that, you put a colon, and after that, you put a value. So and enclose this whole thing into brackets. You can have a large amount of keys in your dictionary or whatever amount you would like to have. So here is an example of a dictionary. We have defined a variable and given a value as a dictionary to that variable, a data type of dictionary as its value. We have a key over here, after that colon and after that value, and these key value pairs are separated by commas in here. This is a basic format of dictionary in Python. The following defines a dictionary that maps a location to the name of its corresponding major league baseball team. This is an example of dictionary which we have defined here. This is the name of city which we have used as a key, and this is the name of a baseball team associated to that city or that location in the word. And we have included this in curly braces, which means that we have defined